So I ended this one quickly. So our turning point will be 1, 12, negative 15. That's our turning point. The coordinates of our turning point. All right, let me look at one more example. One more example. Let's say we have this function. F of x is equal to negative x squared minus 2x plus 24. Will this function have a minimum value or maximum value? Will this parabola have a minimum value or maximum value? This parabola, okay, again, I think I'm interested in the answer. What are we going to get? Is A minimum value, B maximum value? If you said maximum value, you are very much correct. Why? Because our coefficient is negative, meaning that our A is less than 0. And that means our parabola will come out like that. Okay? And our turning point right there. Okay? Our parabola will come out like a karupiri. So, now let's find the coordinates for the turning point. So, our A will be negative 1. Why negative 1? The coefficient there, negative 1x squared, which is same as negative x squared. Our B will be negative 2. And our C will be 24. All right? So, if we are finding the x coordinates of the turning point, we say negative B over 2A. X is equal to negative, what is our B? It's negative 2 over 2 multiplied by negative 1. So x is equal to negative times negative 2 is 2 over 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then you say x is equal to positive divided by negative. It is negative. Somebody might ask, but where is positive? This 2 has a positive. So this positive divided by that negative is negative. 2 divided by 2, it's 1. So the x coordinate is negative 1. So for the y coordinates, we can use the formula 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Okay, so now we say y is equal to 4 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by 24 minus negative 2 squared over 4 multiplied by negative 1. So our y is equal to 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So now negative 4 times 24, we get negative 96. Then we say negative 2 times negative 2 squared is positive 4. As long as it's in brackets, this will give us positive 4. So we say minus 4. Why minus? Since it will give us positive. Because of that, negative times positive 4 is negative 4. Over 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Then say y is equal to negative 96 minus 4 is negative 100 over negative 4. Negative divided by negative is positive. 4 into 100 is 25. So our turning point will be at negative 1, 25. Maiwonaka? Or me, I prefer the direct one because exam managed. Me, I prefer the direct one. So say y is equal to negative x squared minus 2x plus 24. All right, so I'm just replacing where there is x, I put negative 1. Okay, so that now y is equal to negative 1 squared, it's 1. So negative times 1 is negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 is plus 2 plus 24. Y is equal to 21 plus 2, it's negative 1. So negative 1 plus 2, it's 1 plus 24 is 25. Or you can say 2 plus 24, 26. 26 minus 1, 25. So you find that E, it go faster than that. But whichever you want, pick the one that you prefer. All right. I think let's try out these. How to identify if it will give us a minimum point, or first thing, we need to know how to find the minimum, how to identify either the parabola will give us a maximum value or minimum value. Then we should know how to find the coordinates of the turning point. These are the main things that I want you guys to concentrate on, and your work will be based on the same.